Hi guys, so I found something cool in where I live. So normally, you know how birds' nests are like made out of sticks and wood and stuff, and they're like hanging in the trees, right? Well, this bird's nest is different because the birds they like dig in the ground and made these holes as their nest. It's like how rabbits created their home underground, except that these are the birds, not the rabbits. So there's like a lot of birds' nests here, and there's more up there, and there's more, even more all the way here, and I'll bet that some of them already started laying eggs. And there's like um, even more down here. Also, my butterfly pet is here with me, so these are birds' nests. um, yeah, the birds are probably hiding underground. And there's some shade plants to go along with it. Look, the hole. And there's also some other flowers. And yeah, I wonder how many birds live here exactly. There's probably a lot. And yeah, there's some more flowers here with their home. Look, I made it to the top of the hill. Some more nests here. Geez, there's like a lot in one area. Yeah, and there's more, way more here. So I hope you found that interesting. And now you know that some birds can live underground. Bye.